basically this has all the inbound and outbound logistics. But the thing
Yeah.
is that for inbound and outbound, we will be using a separate OM and inventory dedicated responsibilities. But yeah, from here we can just query. Okay.
Okay.
So first we'll go to the setups, warehouse configuration, come down, go to warehouses,
Okay.
come down, warehouse parameters. So this is nothing but organization parameters.
Right.
Click on W1. Okay. So first checkbox that we need to do is WMS enable. Okay, that
Right.
is the first and foremost thing, that to make any inventory or WMS. So that checkbox needs to be clicked. Then we will come up with the other parameters of the warehouse. So you can go to revision, lot, serial, and LPN. So like I told, here we need to give the LPN generation options, the total
Right.
length or the total length of the LPN, that if you provide, it will be limited to that length only. But if you don't provide, then it can extend. Okay.
Oh,
So
if
the
I don't
prefix,
provide, then it can be any length, huh?
I don't think it can be any length, but there is
Right,
some
right, right.
restriction.
Okay.
There is some restriction at WMS seeded APIs that will restrict, but
Okay.
maybe till 17 to 20 characters, I believe so. But we need to see.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So prefix LPN and the starting LPN number is 54 and suffix is A. So this is generally applicable when you click on Control G to
Right.
generate an LPN. So these parameters come into picture, and
Uh-huh.
it will be sequentially get generated every time when you click the Control G.
Right, 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 right.
Okay. So this
Mm.
is one. Next, go to the other tab for the LPN.
Which one?
For go to warehouse. Hmm. So here we don't have to do anything, just a default put away rule that we're gonna create can be given here, or default put away rule which is already Oracle given can be placed in the same place.
Okay,
Okay,
but
so that,
but there has to be a default put away rule, right?
correct, correct, correct. So next, go to the next tab. Hmm. So here comes the main, actually the basically the pick task type and all the task types that we need to give in the standard operations form. So these are all defaults. So you can provide the default values here, the picking task type and the replenishing task types. So all these task types will be triggered, and I will tell you what are the task types, where it should be defined, and how it should be defined, and what resources and departments should be assigned to the task types.
Okay.
Okay. So the main intention to provide here is that, so what are task types, so why it is needed here, because when a particular picking task or a cycle count task or whatever the task is being created by the system, it will check the standard operations form. Okay, that I will show you. So in the
Uh-huh.
standard operations form, it will see for a particular picking task who is the resource.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that on the move order line, it will assign that resource type, and whoever the persons who are including in that resource type can be eligible for that task to be performed in the warehouse.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so when you say the default task types here, if if nothing is provided, so based on this default task types, it is going to add this task types to a move orders which are going to create for each of the tasks. But if you give the task types in the standard operations form, it will pick from there.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see that later. And when you see the operation plan here,
Uh-huh.
okay, see the operation plan is locator based consolidation in consolidation locator within delivery in staging lane. So generally we will use the LPN based default one, default LPN based consolidation in staging lane within delivery.
Okay.
The
This
first
one,
one, first one.
first one.
So that is a default one. Okay. So if there is a pending task, it will not allow. But let's please ensure that there are no pending tasks that requires consolidation into locators. Proceed. Okay, click on OK. Then save it. So so the main operation plan here is that the default one. What it does is that LPN based consolidation is, let's say there are in the staging area there are staging lanes as well as consolidation locators. Okay.
Okay.
So staging lanes or a storage locator, whatever it is, you can define for the staging sub inventory. So if you select this LPN based consolidation in staging lane, so for that particular delivery, within that delivery, whatever the LPNs are there for that delivery, which are yet to be picked and dropped into staging area, so all goes into a single LPN, and
Okay.
that is not mandatory, but system will suggest to put everything in a single LPN while dropping into the staging area, so that when you drill down with the outer box LPN, so it tells what all the LPNs are inside it, whether it might be inside or just kept beside it, but systematically it should go nested into a
So,
outer box LPN.
so basically, when we are moving the material,
Hmm.
when we are dropping the material to the staging
Hmm.
area, at that point of
Hmm.
time, it will suggest.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have a paper based picking, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
in the paper based picking, let's say there are 5 lines. So for 5 task IDs, you go on picking and dropping into the staging area for the first line. Let's say for the first line you have given LPN1.
Uh-huh.
You dropped it in the staging area. When
Right.
you pick the second LPN, it will suggest LPN1 as a
Okay.
drop LPN. So it's not mandatory. You can drop inside it, but physically it can be beside also. But systematically you can drop inside it or you can clear that value.
Okay. Or you don't want to consolidate, you can clear that value.
Hmm. Correct. Clear, and let's separately drop into the staging area. But the staging lane will be same.
So when
Okay.
I'm dropping the LPN first time, okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so there is a LPN attached to my uh, one box,
Yeah.
and I'm dropping into a staging area first time that the first quantity of that delivery. Okay,
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
I'm picking that LPN from the finish inventory, and I'm
Hmm.
dropping same LPN to the staging inventory.
Hmm.
So next time when I will pick another box for the same
Hmm.
delivery for a
Hmm.
different quantity, it will
Hmm.
suggest me the previous LPN, huh? And will ask
Correct.
me, okay. Even though that
Correct.
LPN was LPN belonged to that box, right? The first
Yeah.
box. Okay.
Hmm.
So so the box LPN will become a outer LPN, and then
Correct.
other boxes can be put into other box LPNs can be consolidated into
Hmm.
that LPN. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the majorly used operation outbound operation plan. So it
Okay.
tells in the outbound area how should be, material that can be operated in the staging lanes, either in staging lanes or consolidation locators.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, you can save it. Yeah, you have already saved it. Let's close this. Now this is done.
There
We
is
will
no
come back to this.
there is no locator concept over here, right? It is just we are consolidating while moving to the staging lane, right?
Yeah, you can just open that box. I mean, open that LOV. I'll tell you. So there is another one which is widely used, which is locator based consolidation in consolidation locator. You see, it's not the staging locator, it's consolidation locator, meaning when you define the staging sub inventory, in the staging sub inventory there can be staging lanes and consolidation locators.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there it will ask what is the locator type, whether it is a receiving locator or a inventory locator or a staging lane or a storage locator or a consolidation locator. So when you say that it's a consolidation locator, it needs a operation plan.
Oh, okay. So basically, okay, I get you what you're saying. So you're saying when I'm defining a locator, there are type of, maybe I have seen it, but I didn't see it. 1 second. Give me a second
Yeah.
here, please. Okay, this is the type. Okay, staging line. Okay, let me
Okay,
go back to my.
consolidation locators.
So 1 second. So let me understand this for a second.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What did I close that for? Okay,
Give me a second, Sumir. I am just.
sure, sure.
Yeah, Sumir.
No, no. I was saying that the second one,
Hmm.
if I have a locator type defined as a consolidation locator, and when I'm moving from
Yeah.
the finished goods sub-inventory to the staging sub-inventory, and the
Hmm.
consolidation locator is within that staging sub-inventory,
Correct.
and if I move first box into that consolidation locator, then next
Hmm.
time it will suggest me that locator.
Yeah, same locator.
Okay, so that I can consolidate it all the boxes in that locator.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
But what if you dig deeper, okay,
Uh-huh.
at organization level, it can be a default LPN based consolidation within the staging lane, but based on your rules, you can define an operation plan where it
Okay,
will
I get
suggest
you.
the consolidation locator.
Okay, so I can okay, I get you. So when you're defining the rules, you can override through
Hmm.
that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Meaning for a staging sub inventory, there can be staging lanes as well, consolidation locators also.
Yeah.
But while defining the put away rules, the outbound put away rules, first you tell system that in which staging lane it should be placed in. But when you try to pick and drop from the paper based picking, the
Uh-huh.
consolidation plan will be triggered
Okay.
based on the conditions which you write in the operation outbound operation plan.
Okay. We can do we will do that, right? Huh?
It is bit meaning time taking, but yeah, let's see. Let's cover the basic ones first. So
Okay.
later, if time permits, we'll do that. But I can show you how that can be done. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's select default one first. Let's
Okay.
do step by step and cover the basic things.
Okay.
Save it. Okay. We'll come back to this form to uh, change the values here. Okay.
Okay.
Later. Okay, now let's go to the second setup we need to do is okay, go to sub inventory, sub inventories, sub inventories. Yeah. Okay, let's query what all sub inventories we have. I think we have defined some WMS sub inventories also come down. Come down. Okay, we are staging FGI case pick.
Won't these all sub-inventories will be WMS because they are in WMS organization? When you
No,
say,
some can be non-WMS. I mean non-LPN based also.
oh, okay, okay, yeah, yeah, okay, that's the way you're saying.
Can you go up?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Mm, okay, let's create our own sub inventory. Okay, just for our
Okay,
testing purpose. Okay,
okay.
let's give
I'll give my
yeah.
name as initials SB.
Hmm.
WMS. Okay,
Yeah. Hmm.
SBWMS.
Yeah. No, no, no. Cancel this. Just scroll right slowly.
Okay,
Okay, scroll right. Okay, here see the default is LPN control, but you can
okay.
uncheck this.
Right, 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 right.
Okay, scroll right, scroll right. Can you?
Sorry, my bad. It's like, hold on. Let me go slowly. Hmm.
Locator control would be pre-specified.
Pre-specified. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Can you scroll right again? Just checking if any other parameters are mandatory. Scroll right. Okay. So save it.
1 second. Let me open it and check. 1 second.
Hmm.
Okay, account. Okay, warehouse. It is LPN control. Okay. Okay, save it.
So type is storage. Okay.
Yeah, type is storage.
Yeah. In the header.
Yeah, yeah, I
So,
saw that. Yeah. And
okay.
then we have to define a locator.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It is row rack bean structure. SP. Okay. Okay. Now we have to define this as a
Storage locator.
locator.
Hmm. Yeah, that's it. You can save it. Uh, Do you want to define the staging sub inventory also?
Yeah, let's do that.
Hmm.
SP staging. And staging also I'm doing LPN control. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Here you provide the as a staging lane. Just save it.
Hmm.
You try to define the receiving a sub inventory also.
So wouldn't this sub-inventory be receiving, huh? Right?
Yeah, it will be receiving.
Yeah. But it's asking me a location now. So it is like this quantity tracked. Oh, it's not okay. My hunch is they have changed the version. Looks like. Hold on. Sorry. No, it's still 12.2.0. Okay. LPN controlled locator SP. Okay, let me put this. SP receiving. SP receiving. Receiving.
Receiving.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, save it.
Okay. Now we are done with supplementaries and locators. Okay. Okay.
Okay, now we need to go for the standard operations form. So you saved it, right? So let's go to standard operations form. Um, Come down, tasks, standard task types.
Okay. Standard.
So
So
here you
okay.
can see bunch of tasks which are already created.
This is the same form which is in bill of material, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So here basically we need a resource and department. So I want you to create um, your own. I mean, with your with your name, you try to create the employee. Don't go come here. You go to
Uh-huh.
HRMS
Oh, okay.
and
Okay.
try to give.
Employer.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's create employee and then try to give the responsibilities and let's do with your own login.
Okay. Oh, you want me to create my own login also?
Yeah. Yeah.
I can do in Vision Enterprises, right? Does it matter? HR management. Give me one prominent I can do, but I was thinking of copying. Yeah, okay, it's saved anyway.
Try to give a date of birth.
Yeah, I'll give that. I'll just put something.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just put something wrong. I'm not that young. Okay, before continuing to save any, okay. Save. Social security also. This is social, okay. I'll just put something. Okay. So assignment, vision operations, huh?
Hmm.
Vision operations, operations. Okay. The got started today. Okay. Do I have to create job also? Huh? Right.
Let's see what are there in that LOB.
Yeah, or we can attach something. Some manufacturer manager, something. Store manager. You can attach any of the plant manager, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's attach plant manager. Position. Okay, there is no position. It's a job. Looks like HR New York. HR. I think New York is okay. Let's see. Okay, I'll keep the New York.
Hmm.
And anything else? I think we are good.
You want to use the location. Organization. That's fine. Let's go to system admin and try to assign a person there for this user.
Yeah. So I'll go to you want me to create user for
Yeah,
myself? I
yeah,
can,
yeah,
huh?
yeah.
So
Yes.
I'll get welcome one. Welcome one.
Okay.
Okay, I'll attach my
Give
person.
us. Yeah.
Okay, and then I'll attach the warehouse manager. I'll also attach sysadmin. I'll attach sysadmin. System administrator. I'll attach order management. Vision. Painful. Vision operations. Okay. Do you want me to sign some inventory?
Yeah, yeah. Inventory purchasing.
Operations. Okay. Purchasing. Purchasing. Vision operations. Okay. I
Yeah.
think
Add this uh,
what else? Shipping.
shipping grants. Yeah.
Shipping operations. Okay. So that should be good, huh?
Yeah,
We'll
yeah.
we'll see if we need something else later.
Do we have a separate responsibility here for shipping grants, or it can be provided?
No, shipping grants can be provided from order management.
Oh, okay.
I mean, but to my user, yes, it can be provided. I think I have to assign only the role. That I can do
Mm.
it. I know, yeah, that I know it. Okay. What do you want me to do now? Go to the warehouse management.
So let's sign on with your user now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So let's go to
Okay, now
setup.
what we have done right now is we have created your user, right? So that we
Yeah.
will add in the resources. So you should be the picker, you should be the packer, you should be the uh, put away doer. So whatever it is, you need to add it to the resources. Can you open the resources form?
Yes, yes, I'm doing it. Okay, so I'll standard operations. Do we created standard operation? I don't. Okay, let's create a resource
No,
first.
because
Yeah,
standard operations are basically
we have to assign
the
the
standard operation
resources.
codes which are assigned to the resource groups.
Resources. Right. Yeah, yeah. So
Click
I'll
on
go to
resources,
this. Let me.
give the name WMS resource.
Yeah, SP WMS resource R1. Okay, so
Okay,
SP WMS resource one. Okay, so this is a person whip move. I have to. Okay, this doesn't
manual,
matter. Okay, so
should be
let.
manual.
Okay, and then
is each.
each.
Yeah,
1 second.
okay.
Did I pick
Then
the? Did I pick the right one? Each person. I think. Let me pick this one. Okay.
hmm, hmm. Save
Okay.
it.
Employee. Should we attach employee?
We need to, but you need to save it first.
Okay.
Yeah, click on employees. Add your employee.
Okay. Mm-hmm. BE. Okay. Looks like it doesn't take like this. What's happening? It's not coming. Mm-hmm. We attached
I
over
think
there.
there is ID actually. You just try to query. There comes the
Okay.
ID. Yeah, query.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now I should.
come.
Now I should put Betty. I think. Okay.
2407. Okay, save it. Okay, now we will create the department. Okay, close
Yeah.
this.
And
Go to
assign.
departments.
Okay.
Give the
SP.
department.
SP department.
Yeah, save it.
SP. Okay. Save it and attach the resource.
Yeah, let's attach the resources.
SP. Unit 1.
One,
Okay. Nothing else, right?
nothing else. Save it.
Save it. Non-department.
Done, right?
No operation. Operation.
Yeah, now standard operations.
Yeah. Task. Standard task type.
Hmm.
We created one. I thought I
So
created.
come down. So here you can see some of the task steps which are already created. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just checking if I have mine which I created or I just came out without saving. No, nothing is there.
Okay. Let's create.
Capability. DP. Okay. Okay.
Just give SBPK for picking and
Okay.
PW for put away like that.
Okay. SPPK.
Yeah. Description
SPPK.
give it's a picking task type.
Picking. And department is
Give your
SP.
department.
And operation resources
Uh,
will come. Oh, it didn't came automatically or after save.
no, no. We go to task type.
Oh, go to task type.
There's a
Okay.
column. So that task type should be assigned for
Pick.
picking. Hmm. Click on
Okay.
pick and save it. You open the operation resource, give the resource here. 1 1. Save. Similarly, you do for every other task types. Just give unique code. PW for put away.
Okay,
Anything.
PW, I'll give. Okay. What else you were saying? Picking,
Move
put
order,
away.
MO, move order.
MO. Okay. SP. Move order. SP department. Move order transfer.
Yeah.
Then
So these task types will get assigned for the sub inventory transfer, something like that. Okay.
okay. So we are done with the task types.
No, we
Okay.
need to assign for everything. Cycle count,
Oh, okay. Okay.
all the
Sorry.
task
Sorry.
types,
Okay.
all the
Okay.
tasks.
SP cycle count. CY. SP cycle count. What else?
SB move order issue, MI, SB MI.
Am I? Is it cold over there?
No, not much.
Hyderabad doesn't have that.
Is it minus
Yeah,
at your place?
it's going to snow tomorrow actually.
Okay. But in when I traveled these countries, right, Germany, France, and maybe
Uh-huh.
I didn't get chance to travel to US, but I somehow feel that India is a lot better than any other country.
India is the best.
Yeah.
I don't like I don't like to go for a vacation any other place because I feel like that you're running around to have the
Hmm.
pictures and post it on the Facebook.
Hmm.
There is no other I always enjoy my vacation in India.
Right. So there's so
There's
much freedom, so much
yeah,
food, right?
food and I just
Hmm.
I'm not dependent on anybody. I get up in the morning, I just
Hmm.
call Uber, I go to
Hmm.
Chandni Chowk, I go to Karol Bagh, I go to, I just walk around, meet,
Yeah.
I mean, there's no comparison.
Hmm. Yeah, that's how, that's where, because the people will, create hypes that they are in different countries. But what I feel after traveling, the kind of freedom and the kind of food and the kind of, independence we have here, right?
No
It's,
comparison.
yeah.
No comparison. I always enjoy. I just came back actually. I was there for 2 months.
Oh, last year.
Yeah. Yeah, November, December I was there. I went to Amritsar. I went to
Okay.
I went to my birthplace. I'm Punjabi. I went to Jalandhar. I went to my school, my childhood
Mm-hmm.
school. I mean, so it's
Mm-hmm.
different. I mean, it was different vibe altogether.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, I remember now. I have a memories. I mean,
Mm,
2 years
right.
back, I went to London, Paris for a vacation. I
Mm.
don't even remember anything.
Right. I only remember when I was in Paris, the car and the hotel. That's it.
I don't even. I mean, I roam around, but I don't want to even remember it. Yeah.
Because nobody roams on the roads, even if you try to
I
roam.
mean, yeah, it looks like a Chandni Chowk only.
Yeah.
It's a glorified
So
Europe.
in that -5, -6 degrees, I don't see even, dogs over the streets. Only either cars or people will just come out of the hotel or houses. They'll, be in the car and then just goes to uh,
Yeah.
different places, and like nobody will be there on the roads. Basically, not in the cities, obviously, but maybe in the outskirts, something like that,
No, no,
in villages and all. Yeah.
that's true. That's true. It's no, oh, yeah, no
Okay,
comparative.
let's
Yeah.
discuss more about it going forward, but let's create all the task types.
Yeah. So what else we have to do?
Let's see what is pending. Just
Okay.
query in the LOB.
You have a
Yeah,
staging
staging
move,
mode. Yeah,
and then
so replenish,
replenish, and then inspection. I don't know.
inspection.
Okay. So let's do
Yeah.
everything. So
Mm.
let's do the staging move.
Yeah.
S SBSM. SBSM.
Mm.
Mhm. SBIN inspection. SB inspection. Inspection. Patient resources. Okay. SB. What else is left? Staging move. What
Replenish.
replenish. S SB RE. RP has replenish. SB replenish. Replenish. Resources SB. Okay, done.
Okay, now we go back to organization parameters
Okay,
to
so
add our
engagement.
defaults.
Okay, so we'll go to warehouses
Mm.
and define warehouses, warehouse parameters. Okay, so I'll go
Let's go to
to,
last section.
yeah, warehouse task management.
Give all your defaults here.
Okay, pick task type. Oh,
SB
SP
picking.
picking. Okay, okay, so it will show SP replenish and SP move order. Even if I wouldn't have given over here,
Mm.
it would have taken from the rules, right? But these are defaults, right?
Defaults, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, go ahead.
Give it. Okay, now what we'll do, mm, now this is done. Let's go for the printer setup, okay?
Okay,
Come down.
okay, come down.
Come down. Okay, printer and devices. Let's see we have any label formats. Don't see. Okay. Let's see about the receiving. LPN summary. Yeah. Click on find. Okay,
There
we
are none.
have these many label formats and the default format is label summary. Check the fields and variables.
Yeah.
Okay, we have this one. Okay. At least we don't see the exact label, but we can see the XML. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Then close this form. Okay. Now go to mm, define printer IP. We check printer IP, define printer IP, and see what all printers we have. Zebra printer and the software. Okay. Close it. Okay. Click on assign devices.
There's nothing.
Device name, business event, assign devices to business events. Okay, come down. Here, give put away drop. Click on put away drop. Okay, let's check the device name. There's no records to be.
Okay,
Okay, that's fine. Close this.
what is this for?
Devices in the sense,
The handhelds.
no. The equipments.
Oh, okay. That forklift and all that stuff, huh?
Yeah. But anyways, close this. This is not optional. This is not mandatory. The main mandatory thing is that assign label types to business flows. Click on that. Yeah. Drill down. Come down. We need receipt. Okay. At receipt time, we need receipt label. Click on
There are
that.
lot.
Okay. We have these many. Okay. LPN summary. Uh,
The warehouse
okay. The
management.
main thing is that we wanted to create the MSA responsibility also, but somehow the MSA is not working.
Oh,
What we'll
okay.
do, because at responsibility level we will try to give the label type. Okay, so basically for let's say w1 responsibility, we have created a new MSCA responsibility. Okay, only when
Uh-huh.
users logs into that MSCA responsibility for w1, then only they should able to get this label type. Okay, it's
Agree.
a responsibility specific, so
Right, right,
that
right,
way.
right.
But we do not have MSCA to just check. But the thing is, what should we do?
I just
Since
escalated to let me try again. Okay.
hmm.
It's not working.
Hmm, 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 hmm.
So I have to create a MSCA responsibility or it is there
Yeah,
already? Huh?
it is there, which I think it is there for which we created for previous batches. But let's query, go to the defined responsibility and see.
I can check over here in the list of values, right?
Yeah.
What is that? Or how it starts? Any idea?
Just MSCA type MSCA, percentage MSCA. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
nothing is there, right?
Uh-huh.
Which one you are querying? Is it value or label type?
No, no, I'm querying value. This is a
Okay.
responsibility, right?
Yeah. I think they
So
have refreshed it.
I feel that the instance is refreshed. Let me check.
Yeah.
That's the reason that that thing is not working. MSCA.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, yeah. So she told me
So
they
let's
won't get.
go to
Huh?
define responsibilities and see.
Okay, I can do that.
Otherwise, we'll define one.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. We can do that. Security.
Let's
Okay.
query here
What do you
with
want
the
me to?
WMS. Okay.
WMS.
WMS or MSCA, whatever. Just let's try. Yeah, something is.
I think the
Click on
instance
down arrow. Click on down arrow.
only one.
Nothing is there. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay. MSCA administrator menu is there here.
So I
Hmm.
can create one quickly. How does it matter if you know that? There's no
Yeah,
out
yeah.
of the box responsibility.
Hmm?
There's no seeded responsibility.
Seeded, we do not have seeded responsibility. There will be seeded menu that we attach to our own responsibilities.
Okay, there is no seeded out of the box MSC
Yeah,
responsibility.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So
We need to
let's do
see the
that.
seeded menu that we need to see. Which
Okay.
menu need to be attached to this responsibility.
Okay, we
Okay,
can do
let's
it.
create
SSB MSCA and then
warehouse
application is
manager.
warehouse manager and then the responsibility key is SP underscore MSCA. Okay, SP mobile supply chain. Uh,
Now the main menu comes with something like what MSCA,
uh,
MSCA inquiry.
only three are there.
Just to query with mobile.
Mobile, yeah, I thought so. It will maybe responsibility can also be by name of mobile. How many are there? 106 choices.
There is no mobile here, right? I think.
Yeah, 1 second. Let me mobile. Yeah, that will be too big name for okay. Mobile and drink issues. The 58 choices only. Yeah, okay. Anything mobile WMS?
Yeah, these are looks like okay.
Huh?
WMS navigator.
Navigation, right?
Yeah,
This
yeah,
one?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let's take this one. Okay, data group. I don't know which one to select. Standard.
Yeah.
Application is warehouse management, huh?
Yes.
Warehouse management. We are good,
So
huh?
the no, it in the radio buttons you need to select Oracle mobile application.
Radio buttons. Okay,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah. Oh, okay. Then we are good now.
Okay, so let me assign this to my
Save
user.
it. Yeah.
Okay, we are good over here.
Okay. Let's complete the printer setup with your responsibility.
Okay, which this one?
No, no. Go to setups, warehouse configuration, printers and devices, and assign label types to business flows.
Okay, that one you were saying. Okay, I thought we.
Yeah. So we have all these are business flows, dropping, receiving. So for that business flow, we need to add label types. Okay. For
Yeah.
now, we are trying to add the receipt for receipt. Yeah. A- Add LPN summary.
LPN summary. Oh, LPN summary.
Okay, responsibility.
Responsibility, and then I'll choose
Give
my
your
responsibility.
responsibility.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Save it. So whenever you do some receipt with your MSC responsibility, right? So
It will
LPN
get
summary label will get triggered. Okay.
triggered. Okay.
At receipt time.
Oh,
Let's close this and can you assign printers to documents? Go to assign
sign
printers to documents. Hmm. Now drill down. No, drill down in the documents.
documents first, and then take material.
LPN summary. Because we
Okay.
need
Okay.
to tell that LPN summary go to a specific printer, right? Double click it. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Give your user or responsibility, whatever it is.
Okay. I get
Give
it.
the label, zebra printer.
Done.
Right now, what you understood here is that it's with whenever you try to do some transaction, receiving transaction from your SB MSCA responsibility. So at receipt time, okay, at receipt time,
It will gen.
the second summary should be triggered, the label format, I mean the label type, and that label LPN summary should go to a specific printer, and that is Zebra printer. Okay,
I
these
get
are
it.
the two.
I get it.
Yeah, okay, done. So let's close this. Yeah, now we are done with the label setup for receiving part. Okay.
Uh,
Now the only thing pending is to create POs and try to do transaction in the MSC.
okay, and then receive it.
Receive it. Yeah.
But if I'm defined as employee, I
Okay.
need to be
Rules are there. Okay. Rules are there. Let's create rules then.
okay.
So the hierarchy goes like this. Come
Okay.
down. Warehouse execution.
Warehouse execution.
You add rules, strategies, and rules workbench.
This one.
Yeah, rules workbench.
Oh, rules workbench. And then I should take out define WMS rules, huh?
Correct, correct.
Okay.
Go to rules.
Select the organization.
You clicked on workbench, huh? Okay.
Yeah, correct? I'm right?
No, let's check this because see here you can see the workbench where for picking so many you can see the strategies, rules
Uh-huh.
were defined, right?
Uh-huh.
So, so it will check one by one. So in the sequence number five, there is a strategy. Okay, pick
Right.
sub inventory, some return value, which is nothing but a strategy name. Pick sub inventory in the return value. Okay, that will get triggered. Can you scroll right? Only for that particular item, MWM 100.
Right, 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 right.
And you need to check the flow. Go right.
That's it.
Okay, nothing is defined here. So basically, the it is seems like it is a picking sub inventory, pick sub inventory return value, but there is no flow defined. So basically, this will not get triggered because I don't see any flow which is assigned to it. Come
Where
down,
where
scroll
do you
right and
assign the
come down.
flow?
Huh?
Where we assign the flow?
Scroll right. I'll tell you. In the transaction source and transaction
Oh,
type. Yeah,
Okay, 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 I get it.
transaction source and transaction type.
So this won't kick in anyways. Okay.
But let's see what all values are there. Come down and check the transaction source and transaction type.
I don't see to it is assigned to any transactions. Any of the rules
Hmm.
are assigned. Yeah.
because
So,
because whenever, no matter whether it is internal order or standard sales order, so
mm,
for that particular item the first one will get triggered, because there is no source defined. So no matter which kind of picking it is, it can be internal order picking or it can be standard order picking. So whatever the picking type is, based on the condition. So the condition which we defined here is two. One is the org should be W1, the other one is item should be a particular specific item.
but none of these rules will work, right?
It will. It
But
will
that
because
go ahead.
if you scroll right, there is an item, right?
Okay. So it doesn't need
Uh,
any transaction. Okay.
Source type. Because it will get triggered for all the source types when there is a picking task happening.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Because if you see the type there, it's a picking, pick type
R- Over here,
on the
right?
top left.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, and this is part of a strategy means when I say strategy over here, return type strategy,
Hmm. Sorry,
walk
what's your
walk
question?
walk walk me through this. What does return type strategy and rule means?
Uh-huh. That we will create.
Okay.
Let's close this. So the sequence is not like that. So you just open this window. That's why I tried to explain you. But you can
Okay.
close this. The flow. You can
Let
just click on the rules first.
okay. Okay. So let's do the rules first,
Hmm.
which is over
There
here.
is a rules.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Open.
Open.
Now we have some kinds of rules. Okay, one is put away rule, one is picking rule. Okay, label format rule. Hmm? Task type
Uh,
assignment rule. So there are multiple rules that we can define, but for now we will define the uh, task type assignment rule as well as the put away rule. Let's create the put away rule first. Click on put away.
okay.
Give your put away rule name.
Okay.
Hmm.